Good morning everyone. Myself Hama, Assistant Lecturer of Computer Science Department in Sir C.R. Reddy College, Elur. Today I would like to tell about the topic is set operators. Set operators is a meaning of combining the two queries in a table result set. Combine the two queries in a result set. In this set operators there are four types in there. First one, union. Union, we know union is a combine the both queries in a result. Let's see example syntax and the table. Union. We take the two select statements. Select colon name 1, colon name 2 from table 1 union. Select colon 1 colon 2 from table 2. This is the syntax of union. Let's see the example with union. We have to take in the two tables. Table 1 name employee first, ID employee name 104, Jack, Troy. This is the first table. Second table 1, table 2, second employee. We have to take in the second table ID name 104, 105, 106. Troy, Hallie and in this union we combine the both tables in the result table. Let's see the example. Select employee ID, employee name from first table. First employee union. Select employee ID, employee name from second table. Employee name. Union means two or more select statements in the result table. Output in these tables common names ID, employee name. Both tables 101, 104, 105, 106. Jack 104, Troy 105, Hallie 106, me. In this union it eliminates the values in both queries. Let's see, 104 is repeated, so it takes only elimination rows only. Next one, union all. Again we take ID, employee, name. Same we have to take first table, 104, Jack and Troy. Union all. In this union all, it is same as union. It doesn't eliminate the duplicates, and column names and data types are the same in this union all. Let's see the syntax and example. Union all. In output is there only it takes the eliminates also. 104 is both tables, so we have to take 2 times, not 6. 105 Hallie, Troy, 106 mean. This is the example of union all. Next one, intersect. We know the intersect in mathematics also. In intersect, we have to take only common values in both tables. Table 1, again we take first employee, ID, name, 101 Jack, 104 Troy. In intersect, we have to take only common values. ID, name. We have to repeat only 104 is there in both tables. This is the result of intersect. 104 Troy. This is the answer of intersect. In minus is we have to take first table to second table. It is delete from the first table to second table values. It basically first table to second table. One not 4 it repeats the second table also. In this 104 it delete. So example table ID name. 101 is the answer of minus. Minus means first table to second table. It repeats the dozen value in minus. This is the set operators. Thank you for